Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, you can't send friend requests right now. So how you can fix it? So I know mostly you just need to wait some time until Facebook will allow you to follow people again and to send friend requests. And mostly you just need to wait some time until this action for you will be unblocked. So you just need to wait. And also you can try to sign into your account from another device. So if you have another device, just try to sign into your account from this another device. And also you can try to change your network. So if you're using cellular data, just try to use Wi-Fi, and also just turn off cellular data and just turn on Wi-Fi. And if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use cellular data, just turn on cellular data and turn off Wi-Fi. Also you can try to use VPN, so just try. I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.